Hey guys, can you imagine hiring a well-educated, college-educated person for less than $500 a month, and that $500 a month being a blessing to them? I've been to Ukraine probably 20 or 30 times in the last 10 years. I have a really good command of the Russian language. My wife is from there, and we speak Russian here at the house. I know a lot about the culture, and one of the things that I learned about the culture was that the Ukrainian people are really great people. They're really dependable. They're really grateful, and they don't have much opportunity, and they're well educated. So I always had a desire to help them, and once I figured out a little bit about technology, I figured out how to help them. And I have a team of Ukrainians who work with me. We have a call center that books and dispatches calls for clients of mine overnight and on weekends and holidays, and they do a great job, and they're so dependable. I'm just a blessing to be able to work with these people. I have an assistant that does these videos. He's a computer programmer. He does a great job. He's so grateful to have a job, and he's so dependable, and it's a joy to work with these people. And these people are not being exploited. The difference between the Ukrainian economy and the United States economy is so different. I mean, it's 20%. To live over there is 80% less expensive. A normal 1 or 2 bedroom apartment in my wife's hometown is $150 to $200 a month. So literally, if someone makes $3 an hour, it's like making $15 an hour over here in purchasing power. So there are many things that you need to get done in your business. One of the things that you can do is you can hire a person over there to listen to the greets and to listen to the presentations of the technicians very inexpensively. I can train them how to score each call, and then you'll have a system in place that ensures behavior happens with a scorecard. And the technicians get to look at their scorecard. It's like a report card. So a lot of times, guys, we don't do things because we think it's expensive. Not true. If you need help with this, I can help you. Hey, thank you, and I hope this helped. God bless. Subscribe to my channel, hit this bell to be notified when a new video comes out.